For many years, Portugal has been a top choice for thousands of Latin Americans seeking a fresh start in Europe. However, change is in the air. Weekly, more individuals share that living in Portugal has become unattainable. They cite skyrocketing housing prices, complex bureaucracy, and various other challenges that make life harder. They feel that the opportunities are no longer the same as they were a few years ago. Meanwhile, Spain has launched an immigration reform that seeks to facilitate the regularization of many people who are already in the country. But be careful, that does not mean that anyone can arrive tomorrow and get papers automatically. Today, we'll dive into the evolving landscape to understand whether Spain is emerging as a new alternative for those originally aiming to settle in Portugal. Here's what you need to consider before making a significant decision.